This is my recipe for quick, no canning required refrigerator dill pickles. This is a great way to use up and preserve cucumbers harvested from the garden. You only need a few ingredients to make refrigerator pickles. You can find the recipe with full directions and ingredient quantities on my website linked below in the description. Let's start by making the brine. Heat water, white vinegar, salt, whole peppercorns, coriander seeds, optional minced garlic, and sugar in a small pot. Stir until everything is dissolved. Then take it off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature before proceeding. In the meantime, quarter the cucumbers lengthwise. It's best to use pickling types of cucumbers when making pickles. They tend to be short, fat, and have a bumpy skin texture. They hold up to the pickling process much better than regular garden or market cucumbers. Add a few sprigs of fresh dill to the bottom of each jar. I grew and harvested the cucumbers and fresh dill from my garden. I'll link in the description to my gardening tutorials that explain how to grow them if you want to learn more. Next, fill glass mason jars with the cut cucumbers. I'm using 32-ounce wide mouth jars that I got from Amazon and will link below. Pour in the cooled brine until the cucumbers are completely covered, then place it into the fridge for a minimum of 3 days before eating. The pickles should be good to eat for up to 2 months if kept in the fridge, or you can can them to store for much longer. And that's it. Crunchy, tangy dill pickles made in just a few minutes. Make sure you subscribe for more fresh kitchen recipes, and I'll see you in the next video.